So if this is the one, if you scroll a little up, what you see here is this, the symbol to 1.level. So like that we will have, if I go to again go back, scroll down or scroll up. Scroll up user.username or user.firstname right. So some attribute like that, it will be there. Like user.country.level. It is there right. So this is, I believe, the correct position where you can change it. User.update name. Username city. Okay, all the level are here, right? So I can go ahead and change custom property to so, ideally, what we need to do. We need to change it here and save it and import it back, but I believe here it is not working. So what I can do if I go back here. Copy this, grab this value right. User custom property. Let me search again whether it is there, and it is only one instance. Okay, so I copied this value. Okay, now go to your WinSCP server again. So what we did from the server. We extracted the file and we downloaded to a local. I'll be opening there itself the file, just edit it here only. Okay, and Ctrl F, find that line here. So it is there right. So it was custom property to. I'll see in the label name or to something. Mine job code. I'll give here. Okay. Mine job code after giving that. This is saved to my control and save it. Okay. So copy this line again before closing it. Okay, now. Edit this file again. Ctrl F whatever we copied, paste it and find it. Okay, it is there right. Cancel it. Now we have made the changes to the label one, but we need a restart of the server. It won't do automatically. Okay, most cases it changed, but always it won't change. So if I come back to see still, I see custom property to write. So what I need to do? I need to simple do a restart of the server. So for the restarting of the server I need to do the same thing. What I can do? Let me clear this window. Give cd Apache Tomcat. Ops, opd, Apache Tomcat. OK. We have your shutdown. SS command right. Startup. It is to start the server shutdown. It is to the sudden, but sometimes the shutdown port also. It is not configured and work. So that time, what you can do, you to grab the. What you have to do. You to grab the Tomcat port location in which port it is running. Basically, I can give PS. I put me up. Tomcat. Okay, I saw. The Tomcat is. I'm again confused actually between this. Okay, I believe this is the port. Let me kill this port now. This is process right now, Tomcat port. That is the process. You are correct. So if you kill the process, it will fail the code. I think I killed the wrong product. That was your put fee server, which was running in that process only. So ideally it should have the left one, not the right one. 56, 101. If you kill any of the process right. So the instance will get killed and inside that your port also will get killed. So 8080, it is running right. If I go to Apache Tomcat bin again, right? And now I will give the command ps- here. Great Tomcat. So this is the process number, right? I need to kill it. So kill. -9. Get this. Okay, so this is telling no such process. I doubt the sudden portal work or not. Let me see. Okay, so it's setting down. Great. Let me see what it did. So here tell hype name Katrina.out. So it's basically trying to stop my server. Now let's see. Okay, let me refresh the URL now. Okay. I go back again. Give the start button of the tape. I see. Then lost in hype name. So let's start this over again and see. So ideally we are running in one instance, right? That's why you are to change the file or message.properties value in one location. If in the real time, if we have more than one server, right? So that time we have to change the value or change the label name in all the server, like if I have to serve up a badge and to serve up for you. I seen all the force of our. I need to change this value in this, while other way, what will happen for some of the user, right? Who is logging and who is getting access to that particular server. They will be seeing the value change and for me it will be showing the original custom property 1. It won't be changing for me. So that is latest there. Okay, I think it started now. Let me refresh it again. Okay, if I go to other attribute. I think it didn't change for me. Users. If I open the user. Go to other attribute. No, it didn't change for me. Let's see what happened, if I refresh it. Edit the file. Users represent the label. Okay. So I am smart. The value within. Okay. Okay. So if you're users from the game. This is your analytic manner. No, if I search it here. Custom property, default level. There is a lot of places where you have to find the proper place where the change is required.